Here's the second video, part 2, on the right front window regulator, Ford Expedition.
Good morning, it's my Jeep. Again, working on the right front window regulator, 2008 Ford Expedition. Back on it Monday morning, the 20th. Okay, I just got through tightening up, I believe, all the bolts that hold the regulator in place, and I'm getting ready to put this door handle back in position. And anyway, I'll get back with you when I get that done, and then I'm going to be hooking up the getting the window in place, and then I'll temporarily hook up the panel and see how things work. Out for now. Good afternoon, it's my Jeep on the 2008 Ford Expedition window regulator replacement, and I've got it all hooked up. I checked it out and the window works fine. Got it in the tracks, I got it tightened down. Okay, there's one thing I do want to point out is on this motor. I ordered the wrong pin. I had a 2-pin motor regulator, and I ordered an 8-pin. And what I did, it turned out to be simple, but I took the motor was fine. It was working on the old one, so I just swapped out motors. It works fine. But that was on me, so I ordered the wrong one. So now I got a spare motor.
Nancy came out and helped me get the window in the tracks while I tightened the bolts, and we got it in place.
Okay, my Jeep update. And as you can see, I got it in. I got the radio playing, all the speakers work. Lock. Windows working fine. And that's about it on the window regulator for the 08 Ford Expedition. So I'm gonna end this clip here and get this video posted, and sometime this week I'll get back on my Jeep. I've got the next couple of days, I got some doctor's appointments I got to take care of, and then I'll get back at it either Thursday or Friday. Out for now. And please come back, like, share, and subscribe. Out.